you are trying to balance passenger convenience and driver earnings. And it is a very tricky job, sir. And let's see, how are you going to do this? So the solution that, I like the title of this slide. It starts with solution. Sir, please.
So if you look at the solution, there are three key components in this solution.
Yeah.
One is that we are saying that if any aggregator wants to come and do aggregator business in the state of Goa, they can only aggregate the taxis which are registered in Goa and having a valid taxi permit in Goa. That is the first condition. The second condition is the drivers should, in addition to having their driving license, should be authorized to drive a public service vehicle as per Rule 4 of Goa Motor Vehicle Rules. The third important condition is that they should pay the driver whatever the government has notified as the fare per the trip. So that is the most important.
In this case, it is 36 rupees is
an
the
example.
notified fare.
Yes.
Nobody can come below that.
Yes.
A driver cannot get even 1 rupee below that.
Below that, correct.
The aggregator has to pay
Correct.
36 rupees per kilometer
Correct.
to the driver.
Correct.
So now, sir, if we apply the same formula,
Yeah.
this is what happens.
Correct. You can go to the next slide.
Yeah. So if this is what happens, and I have a couple of questions here. Okay, so first you explain to me, then I'll ask you the questions.
So if we go by that idea that aggregator has to pay the driver the government notified fare. So if a 10-kilometer trip is completed under ABC aggregator or a PQR aggregator, it means that driver legally is entitled to receive 36 rupees per kilometer.
Yes.
And whatever commission they want to charge over and above that commission, that is up to the aggregator to levy on the customer.
Yeah.
And now what happens is that it's a very microeconomics basic principle that every person in the market will make the choice towards the lowest price.
Yes.
So if there is one aggregator who is giving me 360 plus 30 and another aggregator who is offering me 360 plus 20.
Yeah.
So customer will automatically make a choice to book the lowest price. So therefore the price for the customer will automatically be market regulated, whereas the earnings for driver is as per the government notified fare.
I have a very interesting question. I will just go to the next slide. So you are saying you have solved this problem that we had shown, which solves this problem. Now, so the question is, I have 2-3 questions here. The first question is the first column, which says taxi without app. So government is providing an option to the existing taxi owners and drivers to stay out of the aggregators, right?
Yes.
So they have an option.
Yes.
That option is not taken away.
Yes.
Government is not saying that compulsorily you have to come on some or the other aggregator. An individual can choose not to be on any aggregator.
Yes.
The second question, sir, is about aggregator 1 and aggregator 2. In our previous slide, we saw that 100 rupees, 80 rupees fat commission.
Yes.
Now, you have completely put that commission on diet.
Correct.
And brought it down to 30 and 20 rupees.
Yes.